I just launched a free Facebook ads course that gives you everything that you need to generate motivated sellers online and add at least $1 million on top line revenue in 2025 without ever relying on a pay-per-lead company ever again. This is the exact system that top investors and wholesalers are using right now to generate consistent deals and motivated sellers, off-market deals, and even over 350 clients that we've had over the last few years to lower their CPL, their cost per lead, get more deals done, and generate over $40 million in assignment fees while spending over $15 million in advertising. We've learned how to put everything together, and now I'm giving it to you completely for free. All right, hear me out. Once you understand these strategies that top wholesalers are using to scale massively right now, generating leads from Facebook, from Instagram, from Google, you can see results like this, and this, and this, and this. So if you're tired of paying thousands to a third-party lead provider, pay-per-lead companies, dealing with low-quality leads, or just cold calling, doing something that is not from inbound marketing, or having zero control over your return of investment, this course will show you how to take control of your lead generation using Facebook ads, lower your cost per lead by 50% or more using advanced optimization, book more appointments and close more deals on autopilot, and scale predictably to add $1 million in revenue in 2025. And listen, you won't find this information anywhere else because the real ways to scale a wholesaling business with online marketing are gate-kept behind a $3,000 to $5,000 agency retainers, $5,000 coaching programs or more, or extremely expensive pay-per-lead companies. But my mission today is to help over 1,000 people to grow their wholesaling business to multiple 6 or 7 figures per year completely for free. And I truly believe that everyone should have access to equal education for online marketing and growing your business. And that's why I spent over hundreds of hours, thousands of dollars, and years of my own experience creating this paid ads course with over 20 hours of content. And if you go over this information today, you're going to get everything that you need to get your wholesaling business go from this to this. In the next few minutes, I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to learn, how to get access to this, and what you can expect to see after going through this course. On the first module alone, you'll learn everything on the high-level paid ad strategy. We go over creating your ads so that they're both profitable and gives long-term results. Then we'll break down the different type of ads to get attention from sellers in order to get bigger deals. In the next lesson, we'll go over how to uniquely create ad copy so you always have sellers go through your door or your funnel. Then, how to position your offer in the copy, in the headline, and the lead form versus the landing pages. And lastly, the exact way on how to get leads scheduled in your calendar so they actually show up and we have a marketed qualified lead. In the next module, we go over how to set up your advertising account so you do everything correctly from the very beginning, from business manager, ad account, creating a Facebook page, and getting ready for your company to blow up online. We go over different templates that I end up giving away. In module 3, we go over how to create your ROI growth campaigns so you take an edge over your competition. We go over building your ad campaigns, building the right lead capture system, and going over the ad itself. Remember that leads don't matter if we don't get them over the phone. So automating your lead notifications, your lead capture, and follow-up is going to be key in this section. We'll go over all the basic ad optimizations that you need to do and the KPIs to keep track so that everything stays put, nothing falls to the crack, and you make it work. And I can guarantee that there will be some new information that you've never actually heard before, even if you're a professional. In Module 4, we cover the infamous Get Sellers framework. This framework teaches you how to never run out of ideas or ads, create new ads endlessly, whether that's picture or video. And we go over things to avoid while creating your ads so you don't get your ads shut down. If you ever get disabled ad accounts, you can also see the lesson in there. And if they get rejected, there's no issue. We're going to explain to you everything. One of my biggest bonus is the anatomy of winning ads, which is an entire masterclass of what winning really looks like with advertising campaigns for wholesaling. We also cover one of the biggest things that are overlooked by most wholesalers, and that is how to get these leads to pick up the damn phone and close. We have an entire training on the right technology and the team set up to make this work all the time. Not every lead will book an appointment on the first try, but that doesn't mean that they're not interested. So we'll teach you exactly how to get these leads to book appointments so they become marketed qualified leads and then ultimately close those deals. And in the final bonus modules, we'll cover an entire lesson on which KPIs to track, how to create SOPs around this to give it to a virtual assistant or a remote worker, and how to measure your ROI throughout spending dollars on advertising. And most importantly, how to leverage technology and tracking. This can cut your cost per lead by 30 to 50% and even give you higher quality leads. And up next, we go over 10 ways to convert more sellers into deals and 22 ways to close online leads that give you some trouble. Inside of the bonus area, you'll also find how to go about conversion events and how to ultimately qualify leads further, how to reactivate campaigns, use chatbots, which I'm sure 99% of people don't even know about this. Don't forget this. Leads don't mean anything if you don't close. But closing means that you get them to commit to an appointment, so you get a marketed qualified lead, you get them on the phone, you have high quality conversations, you follow a sales process in sequence, you handle objections, you follow up, and you get them locked up, on top of tracking every single number that you got. So if you're still buying leads from pay-per-lead providers, you're wasting a lot of money because you can be making more money by actually getting leads very cheap with the same quality. So with this system, you'll be able to generate leads for $50 to $150 cost per lead, as opposed to $200 to $500 from lead providers. You'll be able to control your own leads and don't be on the mercy of other third-party providers. So you have to bring it in-house, and now you'll be able to put in $1 in and get $5 back every single time, or whatever you get in return of investment. And you'll be able to scale up your marketing by keeping cost per lead low. Just like we have helped communities and clients from Boardroom Mastermind, the Software community, Seven-Figure Cartel, Real Estate Disruptors, and even shared our top tips with the Ryan Pineda team. I suggest that you watch that episode at Ryan Pineda's podcast, Making Millions of Dollars in the Last 4 years. We have actually learned how to make deals out of online marketing and taking our clients over $100,000 a month only with Facebook ads itself. So if you want the exact Facebook ad strategy that the top wholesalers use to generate millions of dollars using Facebook ads, click on the link below to get access to that free crash course. And if you're already doing over 3 to 10 deals a month, then we can actually partner up because we have a solution for you. You can also click the link below in the description below. This course is a masterclass on paid ads growth, and those that actually take it seriously can take their wholesaling business doing 5 figures or 6 figures and take it to 7 figures by just applying a few things and running advertising. And those that take this seriously will be the wholesalers that make the most out of 2025. Now, hear me out. You can take everything that you learn from this course, apply it, and actually transform your business just like other wholesalers are doing it right now, but you have to take action. Imagine this, in the next 12 months, you'll apply this, you'll start generating motivated seller leads from online marketing where you don't need humans to cold call or direct mail. You just get motivated leads from ads. And how do I know that this is going to work? Well, this is the exact playbook that we actually use in order to generate motivated sellers for our clients. We've been in business for the last 5 years, and we've been working with over 350 clients already, all REI, all wholesalers, all flippers, and they've made over $40 million, and we spent over $15 million in advertising ourselves. You don't need to rely on other third-party vendors. You can actually take control of your advertising, take it in-house. And if you're already making a lot of money through Google Ads, PPC, this is a huge bolt-on to your marketing. But Esteban, why are you giving all of this away for free? Listen, I already run a 7-figure agency, a 7-figure recruitment company, and I have a few other partners where we get deals together. So in reality, I don't really need to make the most amount of money and squeeze the juice out of my audience. I just have the mission of giving you this for free. Right now, I just want to add the most amount of value so you can actually learn how to do this yourself. And I just want to help a lot of people. Listen, I could have easily charged over $3,000 and make multiple six figures by selling this course, just like this so-called gurus. But I know that by giving this away for free, I will make the most amount of impact, and that's what really matters to me. And I know that the people that are gonna take this and are serious are the ones that are gonna win. So this is not a BS course. You can literally apply this, and within 30 minutes of setting things up, you'll be able to run a campaign and get started. But I do have to warn you on something. Over 99% of people don't take action. Even though I'm giving you the entire blueprint and a course to generate motivated seller leads online, book more appointments with motivated sellers that need to sell their house, and ultimately scale your business, if you don't apply what you learn, nothing will really change. So if you're serious about growing your REI wholesaling business to the next level, then this is your moment. You need to pay attention and ultimately take action. That's why I made sure that the course is very digestible, and take it, digest it, and in 30 minutes, you can actually make it happen. After you finish watching this, take massive action. And I can promise you, it will change your life. So with that in mind, welcome to the Get Sellers 30 Minutes Facebook Ads and Instagram Crash Course, where I show you a step-by-step how to attract, generate, and get motivated sellers that need to sell their house and add over $1 million in top line revenue every year. So you can actually make money in wholesaling and take that money and do whatever you want, but ultimately make money in real estate. To get access to this course, you need to follow 3 steps. Step 1, just click on the link in the description below. You're gonna get instant access. Step 2, once you're inside of the course, just watch the welcome modules and pay attention, actually follow everything, because it's gonna explain to you how the course is gonna go and how to make the most out of that course. And step 3, implement what you learned. Take massive action and start closing more deals. This is the same system that top wholesalers and investors are using right now. They run advertising, period. And now it's yours. My team has poured sweat and tears into this, making this for you. So click on the link, dive in, I'll see you in the course. And if this video helped, just hit a like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me exactly what you're looking for. I'll see you on the other side.